Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A perfect cube of a number having 0 at its ones digit ends with how many zeros? We have to find out. So let's say there is a number ending with 0. So anything can come in this place and the last digit, that is ones digit, is 0. Now what we have to do is we have to cube. So if we cube above number, then what number we'll obtain is this number is cubed. So this last ones digit have 10. So 10 to the power 3 is 1000. So there will come 3 zeros. So this type of number will obtain since 10 cube is 1000. Therefore 3 zeros will be there in the end, and this is what we have to find in this question. Therefore we can say that 3 zeros will come in the end if we cube a number ending with 0. Therefore we can say that the answer is option C. We can say it is 3. So the answer is option C.